What is today? The 4th? Boom, boom. We are live. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes,
it is
yes.
the
Hey,
fourth.
guys.
So we get USOY tonight.
Nice. Hey, guys. Welcome to the PetersReport.com. We go live here every Monday and Friday. We try to go with the market open, but I had some technical difficulties. Let's see. We'll give some people some time.
Yeah, you didn't have Wi-Fi, right?
I hope I do. It's going in and
No, I was
out.
saying earlier.
Earlier, I didn't. It was going in and out, in and out. Let's see. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Like I said in the beginning, Peters Report, we go live here every Monday and Friday. Talk about the money flow gang, money flow stocks, a little bit of trading, and that's what we do. You're not day trading, right?
No, I was
You
posting the
had that
link
look.
I was posting the link in Discord.
Okay, appreciate that. Let's see. There's usually a couple people, if they see it, they'll jump on it for me. Let's see. You see my follower count on YouTube?
Yeah, that's great.
27.1. I'm probably going to get a White House appointment.
Yeah,
That's actually good for me. It's 1,300 in a month. I've never had it go that fast, and I know that sounds silly because that guy drinks and smokes in the park has 500,000. Dude, people who do the dumbest shit have the most followers.
yeah,
That's why
because people are stupid.
I told a guy the other day, I don't feel sorry at all for poor people at all. If you're gonna fucking follow all these dancing and bullshit and this and that, and not take any time at all to learn, I'm not gonna feel bad.
Look at Crisp.
Who?
Beautiful Crisp. CRSP.
Yeah, that took off, huh? Do I
Yeah.
pick stocks that don't? I mean, if I picked one, I mean, I'm trying to, okay, other than Walgreens, but I didn't pick Walgreens. That's dogging it down. I've been pretty hot though, huh?
I've
But,
never I think this year was the most year that I've seen that stocks have been removed from the Dow. Intel, Walgreens, and
yeah, it's been quite a few.
Dow.
Yeah.
DOW.
All right. What were you just looking at? Oh, Chris.
Yeah.
So I've been putting this on the homework board for a minute. Our homework board. And bam! Look at that. Sweet baby. Look at that. I feel like I got that one right. Let's see.
You did.
Yeah. I was just taking it in. Dollar General. You've
Yeah,
been
that one's
watching that.
breaking out.
Damn. We just started buying too. I waited over into here. It's almost like I bought the bottom. It's trying to break.
How'd you know?
Because I'm fucking Oracle. No, I can't. I don't know how to tell people how I know. I just I stare at the homework board and I try to figure out which sectors look like they're the worst but could move, and then which ones are the strongest, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then I just keep staring at the board, man. I just look at different things and then I go, okay, and I'm just constantly bouncing off like which one's a low. There's a lot of low stocks, but are they valuable? Is it a valuable business? Is it a real business? And I try to, and then I go, let's see, what is it worth? Can't buy stocks if you don't know what it's worth. You'd be shocked the number of people that buy stocks that don't have any idea what it's worth. Nobody would do that for a house. Nobody goes to a dealership and buys a car without looking to see.
Yeah.
But stocks, fuck it. Give me double option binary call spreads. And it's like, really? Let's see. So, I mean, look at that down move, man. That was a big one.
Yeah, that's where I increased my share size and lost my money.
Mm-hmm. This is a good I mean, let's take this down a little bit. If this was a daily chart, one of the things you got to keep in mind is if price is on this side of the green line, you're in a downtrend. Just basic money flow. And if it's on this side of the green line, It's in an uptrend.
Bullish.
Price is king. Price overrides everything. And if price is above the 5, the 10, and the 20, and they're numerically aligned, to me, it's still stage 2. Even if it looks like a 3,
Yeah.
because it'll look like a
Especially if the
3 until it
RSI
goes up.
didn't hit.
Yeah, especially then, right? And that's the thing about the RSI is you can use it to find, I was telling the guy, it's kind of like having a scope on a gun. You don't need a scope on a gun, but if you got one, it makes it a little fun, better shot. Let's see. All right, so we got Dollar General breaking out. That was what was our pick of the week last week?
We didn't have one.
That's right, because we couldn't find a good one, huh?
No.
Nobody said anything, I don't think.
Someone asked me.
Did they?
Yeah, I said we couldn't find a good one.
So now
that was valuable enough to put out.
Right. So people go to you now instead of asking me. That's good. I like that.
That less people bother you?
Well, I don't mind being bothered at all. I just, simple questions like that.
You'd want them to ask you?
No.
You'd rather them ask me?
Mm-hmm. I can't have a beautiful brain functioning on that. Like, if I didn't send you one, there wasn't one.
Yeah, but what if they're?
I got to explain the reason. Okay. Let's see. A couple of reasons. I either didn't want to fucking send one. Why would I do that? Or I didn't find one. There's no reason to push it because the market right now is. I mean, we've run up. If we look at the SPY, let's look at the SPY real quick. I mean, it looks stage 4 to me. I thought about buying some puts today, but I mean, I know as soon as I do, this thing's going up.
I don't know because the election's tomorrow, so you don't know. Do they announce who wins in the same day?
It's at night. What are the presidential election?
Yeah. Do they announce it in the same day?
Yeah, usually. That night. Yeah, that night. You know how much I give a fuck? 0. I'm gonna watch just to see, but
obviously,
I'm gonna be sad either way. All my conservative friends are Democrats now.
I don't really care.
Yeah, I don't either. That's right out of the Science of Getting Rich. It says don't bother. That's a game for 30-year-olds, man. They all think they're changing the world and shit.
No, clearly 20-year-olds. They're the ones at the protest.
Yeah, it has gotten
younger. At the protests.
You're right about that.
The millennials weren't at the protests. Any protest back then.
I can't even understand what a 20-year-old be at. You don't even do shit. Why would you be there?
You can't even pay your car insurance.
Right. Get the fuck. Nobody wants to hear your opinion, bro. I mean, you have to lived and done some shit, right? You can't fucking lecture
but they don't see that,
people.
Obviously.
Yeah, you're in fucking college, bro. Shut the fuck up. I asked him, do you know the money flow? XLV. So we were looking at this earlier. This is healthcare, right?
Mm-hmm.
Man, that's setting up, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, look at that. It'll probably hold here. So what's
hit the 200, one extreme.
What's the 3x for this?
Aren't we in like 3? There's LabU, LABU for the biotech.
Yeah, there's one. Was it LB what? LABU?
LABU.
Yeah, chart looks different though. But look at this nice little breakout though.
And there's pill.
There you go. Wow. You knew him.
And that was a little bit. I know there's a third one too.
Nice.
I know we're in pill and LabU, but isn't there others?
Let's see the comments. What's up, player? What's Skylar doing?
He's trading. Probably in the same thought. He said he was. I don't know. He's been posting in the Discord. I assumed he was. It's probably.
Is he doing? He's
probably
not in the professors.
Ew. Skylar's not doing that. He's not doing that.
Skylar's over trading naked.
Nah, he's probably at work trading in his truck.
Cure. Oh, that's what I was going to ask the audience if they had one.
Yeah, Cure.
We have the smartest group. Let's see. Let's check Cure. There it is. This is the one that matches it. It's Cure. Who said that? Let's see.
I knew there was like 3.
That was Daniel. What's up, man? Gang.
Yeah, Cure's that's Danielle. That's Danny from. She's in the day trading channel.
Oh, same
Danny
person?
B.
Yeah,
Oh,
same
you
person.
changed it. Yeah. Yeah, Cure's from Direxion.
How do you just change your name?
There's 2 people, right? I saw
No.
Danny B before. Now look, there's
Yeah.
Daniel Grant and Daniel B. There's Daniel and Danielle.
Yeah. Interesting. And there's Pimp Juice.
Yeah, he's
So he's
in the day trading channel.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Fine. Oh, come on. Okay. Here we go. Now, I like this bonds trade, man. You hear me?
Yeah, I'm in TMF and TLT.
Yeah, me too. This
Yeah. Y-Bit's really grossing me out.
I'm thinking about cutting it.
I can't stand it.
Yeah, let's look at that. So let's look at Bitcoin right now. I'm long Bitcoin contracts. I got in last night.
Yeah, people in the comments just say if they like Y-Bit or not.
Yeah, we're thinking about cutting Y-Bit. It's kind of pissing us off. It's not one I text out, so I won't be alerting anybody. Man, I may have to close this trade, huh?
Bitcoin? Oh, shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was looking good.
This could be my first loss of the year on this.
Oh, wow. First loss in 11 months.
Damn. On Bitcoin, but...
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay. So, what were we looking at? Bonds. So I picked up this as a swing trade in my margin account, thinking it might work as a hedge, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So at least you got something. You can't hedge the whole thing, but at least you got something going up if shit's going down.
What percentage, like what size position do you have? Is it like in your top 10?
Let me see. Yeah, I'm not planning to keep it long.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The position size is like 22,000. Yeah, I'm not going to keep it long. I was just wondering to see if it was going to, go up if the market came down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm keeping it.
Oh, you're holding it. Yeah.
Yeah, I started it when I started my margin account.
Yeah, no, I just bought a large as a swing trade just to. I say we get rid of this white paper.
Yeah,
I should get rid of that and put it all in the weeklies. It's 50% margin, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, I actually hate it. There's something wrong with it, man. It feels like it feels different than the other ones.
It's just not going up. It barely goes up.
And it could be because maybe Bitcoin, they don't have a lot of options action or something. I don't know. I don't know what are the inverse ones? Deep, depth?
Dips and crush and fiat.
Let's see. Dips. Yeah, I don't know if I'd get too much of that shit.
Not too much. My hedges, dips and crush are like 2 or 3% max.
Yeah, crush is creeping up, huh? Let's see. What was the other one?
Dips. Oh, fiat. And there's the YQQQ.
And that's an inverse, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's weird. That's the inverse of coin.
That's doing better than YBit.
Yeah, why is it down if it's goddamn... Oh, it's inverse to to
Yeah.
the stock, not the. I got you.
Yeah, I'm down 20% in YBit. It just gets worse every time I log on, I swear.
Yeah, I'm either gonna cut it or cut half.
I don't know what to do. Because I
Yeah.
would have put it in Misty at this point, but Misty's 100% maintenance.
Just hold it for cash and pick up some shit when we go lower.
Yeah, that's true.
Is this not gonna work today? You still hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we get disconnected, we'll just call it. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, here's Apple. Stage 4, man. There's support right here, though. You know? Are you short Apple?
Yeah, there's support, but the markets aren't looking that good. I was thinking about it, but now it's like almost too late, you think?
Yeah. I do think. I wouldn't short Apple anyway. I'd go short awful stuff.
Oh, no, I thought you were talking about the TQ.
Oh, no. Good short TQ, though. So, like, the QQQ, but a lot of support there, man. It's like, I don't know. It's not really breaking down. You know, of course, the election will pop up, and I guess we could buy puts or something. I think whoever wins, it's going up. It's fucking rigged. It's going up, man.
Yeah, it is rigged.
My whole life, man. What's it going to change now? It's been going up under her. It went up with Trump. I mean, it's just going to go up. Let's see. MFG, baby. Huh. What is that? Oh, TLT something. What is that? TLT 5?
Yeah, that's like a leveraged fund for the TLT in Europe, I think.
Is it? Oh, time 5. Europe has some time 5 shit.
Mm-hmm. I saw Alan was in it. He posted it.
Man. That's a lot. We have the 4 now, of course.
Yeah, but that's for the S&P, not even bonds.
Well, bonds, we got a 3. But if you're out there trading, you should try to find leverage funds for everything because it'll save you money. You can put more money to work in other trades. Leverage to make more money. I trade it so I can have less money at work in per trade. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Let's see. Uh-oh. Everybody's praying for a bottom in Celsius.
Do you have the weeklies reinvesting, or do you have them all go to cash?
I have them all go to cash, man.
Do you have anything reinvest?
I have all the anchors reinvested.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the anchors I have reinvest, like CLM. I was talking with someone, they were going to cut the drip, and I'm like, bro, they're buying you the shares at like $7.20.
Yeah.
Why would you drip that? I don't understand. People want to keep the appreciation. It's unfortunate because that's not why I put that channel together. But I mean, people can do what they want.
Yes, that's why it's kind of good that Defiant or Yield Max has SPY T and QQT or whatever that is, because those only pay 20%, but apparently don't have their erosion.
You got to remember, if you're in Discord with us and you're, use your head, man. It's just not money flow. Just keep it to yourself. There's no reason to post it,
Yeah.
Because there's new people and they're watching, and sometimes they assume, oh, this guy must be a good trader.
Yeah. Even I do the same thing. Yeah. Remember that time someone said something about XRP and I went and just bought XRP?
Mm-hmm.
And you're like, what are you doing? It's a stage 4.
Right. And you should just never believe anyone.
And it was just an impulse believing someone in the Discord.
Yeah, it happens. I have it too. That's why I don't watch influencers.
Because you're gonna get influenced by them.
Duh. Like, yeah, I mean, people don't get that. Why don't you watch? Fuck them guys. I don't watch Chris Johnson. I don't give a fuck what he posts. at all. Zero
Because then you're
fucks.
gonna start questioning your own shit.
Yeah, that's what happens. I don't watch the professor's a good friend of mine. I don't watch shit he does. You know, I don't read his book. I just have it. You know, other people, if they want to read it, read it. I don't need to read it. I'm a master. I write books. I don't read them. You know, when it comes to trading, you know,
Yeah.
I don't need another trading style. There is no other style. This works just fucking fine. I don't have the money to put into it now. He said, "What's up?"
What's
I notice
up?
people be inversing the name. That's what they're going with. I guess it's yours
They're what?
on the name. You see it on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying that'll be it.
The Jess and G show.
Yeah, that's kind of corny, huh? Might
It's
work for TV though.
pretty easy. Yeah, I was gonna say it's perfect for TV.
Let's see. He lives here in New Orleans.
Yeah, dude. Why haven't I met him or you have met him? We're always in New Orleans.
Family guy. He's afraid to roll me.
You're so scary.
We might end up in some gunplay.
You might yell at him.
I might, you know that. No, Mike's great. He has a realtor there, man.
I know.
Yeah, he I don't know, a family man. Let's see. Deanne likes him a lot. This is
Okay, that means
the
he's
way.
good.
Yeah, this is the way. Yeah, another stuff has a good ring to it. Oh, they like that name. Yeah, he said next time you're here, he'll meet up.
Okay.
Yeah, next time we should do that. We'll just put it out there like we said, and people could come.
Yeah.
As long as they gotta bring me gifts.
Yeah. Bring him beer, guys, and we'll do it.
Yeah, we'll do like the wealth fund. Forget to get me beer. Let's see. So what else we got? Let me take this down. Any struggles this week trading? Anything you thought about? And you're like, fuck this money flow.
I've never had those thoughts. Sorry.
But this is kind of a, you know, this CLM climbing up. But look, it did it here. You know what I mean? It's probably going to keep going. I mean, it could.
Yeah, it's doing way better than dumbass Celsius.
Let's look at Celsius. People are just, this point, are just hoping something happens. Man, I don't know. I haven't added to it anywhere around here.
Yeah.
I still own a little, and I haven't put much effort into adding. I don't think it catches a bit, and not right now.
Yeah.
I like Dr. Pepper. You know, I mean,
that's like Coke.
Yeah. So what is it? KDP?
I don't know the Dr. Pepper, but obviously KO is KO.
Yeah. We're looking at Dr. Pepper. Fuck Coke. You see what I like about it?
It's right at the 200.
Mm-hmm. And it's following money flow pattern. Damn, my mouse is sensitive. Look, stage one, boom, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now, I don't know if that holds. You know, if the market gets hit, that's going down. So I wouldn't jump on that. But I'm watching. I'm watching this stuff. You know, obviously a little different play than Celsius. Hopefully Celsius gets going again. But I wouldn't add money to it just yet. I would wait. It ain't no big deal. That's Dr. Pepper. I've been keeping an eye on that.
Yeah, my watch list is huge. What about AG&C and RAM?
Okay, AG&C. That's been on the list.
I could sell my YBit and put it in AG&C.
That's a big dividend difference, though, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. Yeah, you could though. But you can buy it on margin. You get more, so it's not that bad. Plus it might go up. Yeah, this will probably. I don't know if this stops here, but it's
because it's not above a 5.
Yeah, I remember I called an audible. Yeah, I called it audible, and I just been nibbling on it.
Yeah, I got like 10 shares that day that you called it.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, I couldn't sell my YBit and just put it in AG&C.
No, I'd probably put it in another one of those.
Yeah.
Another
Well, I
option.
would need to get another Bitcoin. I need to get another Bitcoin fund.
Do we? AG&C 14% dividend yield. It pays monthly. MFA. I've owned this one a long time. It's not really on sale. This one fell too. Watch this. During COVID, I'm sitting there at my machine and it fell to 25 cents from $18. Guess who sold none and just started buying?
You.
Mm-hmm.
That's fucking great.
Now, people might ask themselves this, because I don't believe most people for a fuck second that you're going to do that. You're going to be a little and sell it like everybody does. Unless you can show me a track record of you doing that. Not you specifically, but people listening. You need to prepare yourself for shit like that and then see what you'll do.
Yeah, kind of like day trading and taking losses, bigger losses. At some point, even if you don't take a big loss in the beginning, at some point you're gonna have a losing day. That sucks.
Yeah, most of mine are losers. I like losing. I've been losing my whole life. The hard part is when you're a winner and you're like,
And everyone else is a fucking loser.
College is paid for and you're smart and your whole life you just win, win, win. You were on sports teams, you guys won. Then you get to trading and trading didn't give a fuck how smart you are, how pretty you are, how fast you are. You know?
Yeah.
And now they're not winners all the time. Now you're not and that starts to fuck with people. I'm supposed to win all the time. The best way to start trading is just realize you're going to lose a lot, man. And that's okay. Give a fuck. Let's see. You don't need to give a fuck till you take a lot of trades. And once you've taken a lot of trades, you should start giving a fuck. But in the beginning, there's no reason to give a fuck, man. So there's no reason to put a lot of money on it.
You checked in on Adobe or Campbell's?
Oh, that's what I was thinking. I was trying to think of Adobe. And a really dumb idea is just put a lot of money in the market when you first start trading. And if you're going to put a lot of money in, I just go ahead and do binary call options or something and just lose as fast as you can.
Jesus Christ.
Some people do that. That's going through the minority communities, man.
Oh my god.
That everybody can be a goddamn options trader. It's ridiculous.
It is.
It's a fucking highly, specific skill set that is difficult. Very few people are successful at it consistently over a long period of time. Let's see. I like this area. I like Adobe, but it keeps dripping down, right?
Yeah.
But I like it. And, this area is kind of a demand zone, sticky zone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think one of the things I don't like about options is that the way they try to get people into options is show them how much money they've made on it.
Yeah, and it's like they just had a huge chunk of money.
Yeah, or some of them will just show their win return 980%. Well, what a lot of these guys will do is they'll buy a put and a call, and it's going to go one way or the other, and then they just publish the one that went up. And they did buy it. They just don't mention they bought the other side too.
So did they even win if they bought both sides?
No, it's just so they can publish it and say we picked it.
Oh, okay.
Right. And I've known a lot of options traders. None of them are here with me in the French Quarter. None of them are all for beach cocktails. I know that. I don't know any of those. So whatever it's worth. And a lot of people you'll see like in discords and groups, man. They take big trades. They get lucky. Let's see in 5 years if they're still doing it, or 3 years. Fuck,
yeah, that's true.
One correction, and let's see if they're still doing it. All right, what do we got? Age, that was Campbell's. Oh, so far I haven't been right here. You think it's going to creep on down to the 200?
I hope so we can add more.
Yeah, well, could be
Well, we'll
that.
see.
The only thing about camels is it just doesn't move fast. Let me see the comments. Do they have any comments here? Next quarter could catapult LRHC. There's Sam. Hiya. Let's see. They're not here because they in Miami flaking fake profits. What? Oh, Wes Watson's house in Miami looks nice.
Yeah,
You
he's got
see,
two.
and he's got a new hot call girl. I don't
Oh
know why
shit.
anybody's mad about that. They were like, he's got to rent her shit. You see her? I bet he does. Like, you would too if you were dating her. You're going to pay her one way or the other. Like, if you see this girl.
Yeah. What'd you
Let's
say?
see.
She's his shot caller?
No, they're saying that they found her where she's a call girl, like a prostitute.
Oh.
They're like a high dollar one. And so all these guys, who has to buy him? Like, bro, if you see her, you'd have to buy her because it ain't happening. You've seen her in the video, right? She's not dating you
No,
guys.
I haven't seen the new girl.
Yeah. It's and why that would make anyone, what is that? Who cares? Like,
Yeah.
all they do is complain, bro.
It's
You know?
crazy.
Let's see. What else we got? That was bonds. Oh, ENBX came down pretty hard. I never sold any.
What
I told
about
people,
Moderna and Humana?
oh, look at this coming down hard, man. God damn.
Damn.
Oh, Moderna.
All
I
these
know.
fucking train wrecks.
What is Moderna
M
MD?
nah, mRNA.
I can't believe I had a brain lock there. God damn. This is another one just bleeds to death. But I mean,
Yeah.
maybe you could take a shot at it here and put your stop right around in here, you know?
Yeah.
But it's been undervalued. But you got to ask yourself, are these biotechs about to get going? Speaking of biotechs, here's a silent rally. Nobody's talking about. Look at fucking Gilead.
Wow. Just keeps going.
Keeps going like 50 cents a day. We don't even talk about it. We're worried about Celsius.
Yeah, I'm so fucking over Celsius.
I know. I think some people are down pretty big because when Chris came on and said he was buying it, I think people bought a lot of it. If you did that, you got to go in the bathroom and write with something on your forehead, dipshit. And don't be mad at me for it either. Okay, I'm trying to help you. So if Chris Johnson bought something and that's why you bought it, and you don't know any more than that, you are a dipshit. You have to admit it. You can't just go through life being dipshit. You know, right? I mean, you got to be checked. You got to be told these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if that was just one reason that you looked at it, cool. If that made you look at it and then you went and did a little research, looked at the chart and all this. But I've had people do that with me. Like when I like Zen. I really like Zen. They put $60,000 in it and they got 70,000 in their account. They put 60 of it in a shipping company from Israel.
Jesus. It
I
sounds
go,
so stupid.
yeah, where in the fuck did you get the idea that I would want you to go that? Well, you said you really liked it. Fuck, dude, I really like cheesecake.
Yeah, but you didn't say you were going all in.
Yeah, I never go all in. There's no back up the truck. I don't do any of that shit. I buy
Yeah.
position sizes and we add to it we don't dollar cost average.
Yeah.
That's for dipshits. There's no dollar cost averaging. I'm not trying to lower my price point. I
Yeah.
hate when people say that. Why? Why are you doing that? That's not a reason to buy a stock, dude.
Yeah, it sounds stupid.
It could keep going down. You know, you buy a stock because you think it's going to go up, or it's going stage one, right? It's going stage one. That's why we're buying it. So let me ask you this: if that's dollar cost averaging, let's say a stock goes up double from where you bought it, right? And then you go in there and buy it. What is that called? Raising your cost basis?
Yeah, if you call it that.
Right. Well, they call the other one lowering your cost basis.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now there'll be people go, well, I don't want to raise my cost basis. Why not? They're attached to some fucking meaning
Yeah, I don't even
of
talk
this
to look. I
percent
don't
they
even
went.
care about the cost basis. Because
Yeah, it's
over
stupid.
time, if the market goes up and you buy more, no one cares in 20 years.
It's just balance of your account. It doesn't matter. But
Yeah.
here's the thing: the cost basis is always going to go up. Every time I buy a rental house, it costs more than the last one. And it just
Yeah.
keeps. So if you don't buy stocks because they went up, then you didn't buy Amazon for 10 fucking years. Like, yeah, a lot of people bring these weird things to the stock market. That's how I know that's how I know they're not money flow. Because you never hear me say that.
No. Dollar cost averaging or lowering your price
No,
point or
you
any of
never
that.
hear me use those words. That's words of people reading other shit. It's putting in hard stops. You see a lot of that shit on the internet. You ever heard Kathy Woods mention a hard stop? Any fund manager ever who runs a hedge fund, have
No.
you ever heard someone like Oak Tree Capital or Warren Buffett go, they hit our stop loss?
No.
No, that's all. That shit is all retail traders, man. And a lot of the reasons they were doing that was brokers trying to get people to churn their accounts. Make sure you have a stop loss. Got to have a stop loss. Can't take a trade without a stop loss. And there's guys that have never been profitable that will talk to me about, bro, you've been using them for 2 years. You ain't made no money. Fuck your stop loss.
Yeah, seriously.
So, but you need to get out. There's a zone to get out, but you don't have to put in a hard stop. You can, obviously. You know, in day trading, obviously the shorter the window, obviously you need to have it. But buy and hold, there's no stop loss.
No.
Yeah. And here's what I do. If it goes in my buy and hold account, the point is it's never sold. Ever. So
Right.
if you think you might sell it, don't put it in your fucking buy and hold. So Warren Buffett says, think of it as a car, and you're only going to get one your entire life. Your whole fucking life, you get one car. You're going to put a lot of thought in that car. You're not going to get a Lambo because you can't even go to work in there.
Yeah.
And you got to sit and think on this. Do I want a truck? How about a van? Where am I going to live? And so you would think through buying getting the right car. Well, stocks are the same way. If you find yourself going in your buy and hold, I should cut this and do that. You're fucking up.
Yeah.
Because what makes it work is just letting it drift. And I see that now going down in the margin account. Like everybody thinks we're fucking traders in there. If you approach margin income as a trader, it is not going to work for you. You have to be able to take the trading hat off and just own shares and collect income.
Yeah.
Not to say you can't take a few trades in there, but if anybody that I brought into margin and do dividend income and I see them taking a lot of trades, you're fucking dead to me. I'm not talking to you. You're not following what I said. It'll be a matter of time before they blow their account. Because that's the same person that's not going to close it when there's a big hit.
Yeah.
They've got all this shit on, So if you're doing that, don't talk to me. I can't warn you enough. You will pay a fucking price. So make sure that you're looking at your margin, and it's so simple. What is your available withdrawal to your balance? That's all you got to watch. I'm about to hit 100,000 though in dividends on it.
That's huge.
Yeah, it shocks me. Everyone I talk to could give less than a fuck. They'd rather go to work all day.
That's crazy.
I know. They really look at me like I'm trying to recruit them in a cult. I'm like, no, I'm trying to change your life, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know, Gerald. It sounds kind of risky. Really? Because what you're doing looks boring and stupid. Let's see. Yeah, it's all kind of boring, right? There's not a lot going on, man. I like this Adobe. Is that a doji?
Where?
I thought this was a doji, but it's not. Right here. I don't think it is.
to the bar today?
Yeah, well, over here, no, over here. But I don't think it's a doji. I thought it was. I thought I
No.
saw 2 dojis. You get 2 dojis in a box, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard someone say that the other day. I said, I'm the only one who's ever said that, I believe. And that was somebody saying it. Let's see.
What about
Anybody?
Radiant?
Oh, yeah. That's a new one I put on there for what? RVIN?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's not it. It's RIVN, right?
RIV.
Yeah. I like the setup here, man. And there's a doji right there. Let's see. Look at that. I mean, I love this. I mean, yes, a chart reader set up here. I mean, look at that. Boom, dude. It stopped here several times.
Yeah, we've traded this one before.
Look at that doji right there, man. And then it ran. Damn. And look right here. There's one right there, man. Damn. And then it ran. And so we got one right here. I mean, I don't know. You got some resistance over here, but I like it. We have this on the trade. On the you in this at all? Are you already in it or no? We're just watching.
No, when I was in it before, it was a swing trade.
I mean, because we could enter right now.
I just have it on the list.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do a GoFundMe
to get Wes Watson on a podcast.
Yeah, motherfucker wants 10 G's, man. He's like, oh, I'm gonna blow your podcast up.
That's what he said?
Yeah, 10 fucking grand, you better.
So you actually communicated with him about it?
Yeah. If we go to his house, it's 10 grand. That's a lot, huh?
Yeah.
But we could all chip in. I don't know why other people would want to, but it would be cool to get, it'd be fun. I got some fillers out to some other people, but I asked MFG, you know how many volunteered? 1 of you lazy. I'm not going to get mad.
To go on the podcast?
Yeah.
I thought like 8 people said they would in the thing you posted in GP Thoughts.
And they said their name and they got to DM me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, lots of people clicked it like, oh, I'll do it. How many? Hey, Sam, did you send me a time that you can commit to? Yeah, when I said, hey, send me a time you're going to do, nobody did it. Hey, don't worry about it. I'll do all the fucking content. You guys just watch. Don't worry about it. Don't help me out at all. Don't do a fuck thing. Matter of fact, don't do fuck thing. Unsubscribe. That's what you should do. Fuck out of here. Like, it pisses me off, man. I refuse to ask for likes anymore. I'm just going to delete the fucking video. It's crazy. Sugar lumps. This motherfucker's busy. You're too busy. You can't send me nothing. Tim's too busy. Everybody's too busy. Nobody's got time. Okay. Keep fucking with me. I don't have time either. The number of people I've taught to trade, and they don't have time. I take that shit personal. You're not supposed to of the 4 agreements, right?
Yeah.
Don't take it personal. Okay. I'll try not to. So, hey, don't DM me any questions unless you got a date with it. Let's see. Don't get so mad, Gerald. Let's see. What else we got?
What about SOXL?
Oh, that one hurt, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's going right back up, though. That's a
Hopefully.
doji right there. You know why nobody wants to do it, right? Because they're afraid I'm gonna ask some fucking questions and we're gonna realize they don't know shit. Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that what I do to you when you first?
Yeah.
I constantly ask you questions. And then like next visit, you got more and more right until finally I'm like, okay, you got all of them.
Yeah, you stop
Yeah, stop. You're getting all the, I had to sit and think. I'm like, God damn, if I got to think this hard, it's good. Most people don't get past question 2, which are not complicated, by the way. Let's see. I don't know. It's in a little channel here, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, Skylar just DM'd me. He'll be on the podcast.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I just got one from Sam too. She's going to be on there. Sugar Lumps just sent me one. He's going to be on there. I hope they don't chicken out after doing that. Hey, I'm going to change your emoji inside Discord to little chickens. Everybody gets a chicken until they go on the podcast, and then you can have your picture back. I don't like to be on video, Jared. I don't like the sound of my voice. Nobody else does either. Let's see. Actually, your voice you hear is not the same as other people do, by the way. Let's see. Danielle says, obsessed with our margin strategy.
Yeah. She's trying to replace her salary with her dividends too.
Yeah, won't be very hard. We've had several do it in the group, right?
Mm-hmm. I think his name's like Jose.
Yeah. Yeah. Who brought that to the group?
You?
Yeah. But hey, don't worry. Just collect all your fucking money. Don't be on my pot. Don't do shit for me. Don't bother. Fucking retire for my ideas and don't bother to give me 10 fuck minutes.
Huh?
I'm not taking it personal though. I had several influencers DM me yesterday and ask why I don't follow them anymore.
Who asked?
Well, I don't want to throw their names
Oh
out.
yeah, true.
I was like, why are you worried about what I'm following? Well, I just wondered, did I upset? I said, you got to upset me to follow me? But upset me ain't going to make me unfollow you.
Yeah.
That's going to make me follow you more. You're boring. No, I didn't say that. I just said, bro, I'm unfollowing everybody. Everybody. I don't see when did you click on my shit last? I don't see a comment. Off. I'm not following influencers to follow influencers.
Yeah.
So as I go through, I'm whittling it down. I'm gonna follow no one. It's gonna be 0. And as people, I look and go, is this guy even click on shit? I'm gonna go look. No, off. Yeah, I think I'm down to 100 and something.
You only follow 100 people.
I think it may be less than that. I'm gonna get to 0. I'm not following anyone. No, seriously. I'm following 46. It's gonna keep coming down
getting
too.
Down.
Yeah, I've been slowly cutting them down. I haven't even noticed. That tells you the quality of content they were putting out. Let's see. So I follow you, Cryptic Mojo, Campfire Real Estate. I might unfollow my cousin today. Ass, if you're watching, I might have to unfollow you.
Who?
Nick, yeah, I'm unfollowing everybody, man. I mean, obviously they work with me. I'm gonna keep following certain, but yeah. Let's see. Ooh, let's see. Welby, they're gonna get butthurt, huh? Campfire people. Why did you unfollow me? Because you didn't take me on Ellen with you. How about that? Yeah, influencers, man, they're like herding cats. We got anything else left? That we think it's just a weird. It's not.
What
very
about utilities? They were like going to
oil. That's what I was going to talk about. OPEC extends its output cuts by 1 month until the end of December. It means they're going to slow down. Let's see. Let's see. What do you think? I mean, yeah, oil's breaking out, dude.
Wow.
And look,
Let's see if it holds.
Keeps holding the anchor point. You get oil below the 200, you take that trade. You know, I talk about that all the time. I mean, you could have caught this one. We're in this one. Hopefully the oil stocks will follow. XLE.
Yeah, that was a stage 1 yesterday.
Right. Let's see. OXY. I can't believe how cheap Oxy got.
I know.
Look at that. $50. Damn. I might
Damn.
buy some more. Oh,
it
here's a
back-
homeless guy. Maybe he'll
It's
come
back
on the
above the
podcast.
5 too.
Hey, homeless guy. You think he'll come on? He'll probably know more stock shit. Let's see. Let's see. What do you like? What do you like? He says, what do you like of, and you see where it says Forex?
Yeah.
Just seeing the word makes me want to puke. Let's see. That's a good place for money to die, man. Some people pull it off. What was this? What was the stock he said? ASML. That's a chip company, ain't it? ASML. We're in the others. So we're in the triple leverage SOXL. God damn, look at this.
We can't see it.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know, man. Your moving averages are really far apart. I don't think this thing's going to go anywhere anytime soon.
No, it doesn't look promising.
This is a chip company, right? We're in several of these.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't like it. Not one of my favorites. Let's see. Devin could get back to 200. Let's see. I would look at that one, but you're not on my fucking podcast, so I'm not going to. Let's see. Thanks for the live, guys. What do you think of AMD here? AMD. Ooh, got a doji. You see it?
Yeah, what's the 14 RSI?
There's still room to the downside. It's hard to trust this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can't buy this here, man. I mean, you can be a dipshit who's afraid to go on my podcast because I might ask you questions. Those guys could buy it here, maybe. I wouldn't buy it here because there's no stage 1. There's still room for it to go down on the RSI. We respect the RSI. I assume this run's not over till we get above the 5-day exponential. That's going to be a minute. I told you I'm working on a class here in New Orleans. I need to get with Mike. Mike, I need to get with you on that. I'm working on the idea for doing a class, and like part 1 is like just basic money and shit. And part 2 takes you into trading. I'm gonna do a local. I'm gonna try to get a local money flow group going and see if we can't use that what I do like other places. If you guys aren't too fucking busy to participate. Most of them will be. There's maybe 3 people that do it between fucking baseball games and spooning and whatever. And I'm getting mad. I meant to borrow Xanax from the homeless people. Let's see, Dow, huh? Dow. This has been I'm a buyer. I don't give a fuck they took it out. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm a buyer here. This is way below the 200. I might buy it. I mean, today, if you bought it, you could. I wouldn't. I mean, you're in the extreme. I don't think this goes much lower, but let's look at the weekly. The dividend on this is nice. Let's see. Unless there's some rumor they're cutting it. Look at it stopped here. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it could go down easy. You have Morningstar?
No, I only have the one that comes with Schwab.
Let's see. If anybody has Morningstar, curious to know what Dow's true value is. Well, here, I'll fucking do it so nobody has to. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see here. I like the Dow though. I mean, it sucks that they took it out of the Dow.
Yeah.
70. All right. Boom. Look at that. Boom. They hit it fast. Definitely not the professor students. Let's see. They're kind of slow. Let's see. It's cool though. Special limit. You teach them to trade. That's cool.
Yeah.
I always wanted to do that. According to Morningstar, yeah, 70s. Yeah. Now maybe that gets lowered. I don't know when that was updated, but 70 is way up here, and we've been trying to do that
Slowing
70,
down, yeah.
and every time we get up in that higher level like that, shit just up into the 60s, it just stops working. Companies have problems. The problem is in their sector, there's just other companies doing better. And whenever there's companies doing better, people buy that one. I'd rather buy Dow than add to Celsius right now.
Yeah, 100%.
Man, I think we covered everything. Let's see. GP, your bucket video changed the way I looked at my finances. Very cool. Man, that last one, everybody liked it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Kind of hard for me though, because I talk in there about a lot of leverage shit, man. And it makes me nervous. Not nervous, but I just hate to see somebody's like, oh, let's have one video, and then they put it all into YBit or some shit.
Yeah.
Hopefully people don't do that. And what I'm afraid of is like if they're an MFG, they're not going to do that. But if they're just coming across a video, some people,
they might.
Yeah, there's a lot more people that watch my videos than are in the MFG. That's the T-Rexers. You ever see a T-Rex with his arms? They can't reach their wallet. Those T-Rexers. That's what I call them.
That's hilarious.
Boeing bonds are offering juicy yields. Would you buy a 7% Boeing bond?
No.
Yeah. That's all right. I'd rather buy Walgreens. Dude, I made up the 7. That's what I figured it was. Usually when you're having problems, it's at least 7%. It's a 7% note. Boeing's got all kind of problems still. Everybody in the whole damn company is striking at some point. Company's gonna blow up. The weekly on Dow, it's around a demand zone or support zone. Yeah, it's close, man. Could go down another couple dollars though. Yeah, hey, if you don't mind, if your thumbs work, you could click the like button. If you're watching on TV, you take your little arrow button, you go up, you go over to the right. Some people don't know that either.
Yeah, you can like it on the TV.
You can, yeah. You can. Let's see. It is widely considered that a Trump win would be positive for the U.S. dollar, though many feel this outcome has been discounted. Let's see. A Trump presidency. What do you think happens if you think the market's going to get rocked either way? If it opens down, start buying the triples. Like
yeah, I have no idea.
TQ or UDL. That's my plan. If we open down 1,000, I'm a buyer. I'm gonna be ready to day trade it too. Now we could buy puts, but I think we'll just lose our money.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Oh, I know exactly what it's gonna do. You don't know?
No.
I'm gonna text it to you. We'll see how close I am. I don't want to say it because people will trade on it. Let's see. Now it's just what I think, but it, don't matter. I'm not gonna trade on it. I'm not doing anything, man. I'm not even gonna watch. I really don't give a fuck who wins. I'm just gonna go about my day. It's all gross, man.
Yeah, it is. It's really fucking gross. It's really gross.
Reuters. Let's see. Blackstone is in advanced talks to acquire Retail Opportunity Investment Corp, which owns shopping centers and has Blackstone's buying shopping centers and has a market value of $3.4 billion, including debt. They're buying shopping centers.
Yeah, because maybe
I know turn them into fucking offices or something. They're smart.
Houses.
Or houses. They're smart. So if they're doing it, there's something to it. Here's what's funny. All my real estate friends had told me, oh, commercial real estate's going to crash. Okay, so Blackstone's in buying it. What do they know? You saw this thing about the squirrel?
No.
Do you go on social?
Not really.
Right. Just mine. That's it.
Yeah.
Good answer. But no, there was this squirrel that had his own Instagram account. That's why I knew he's an influencer. He had more followers than me. And I mean, a squirrel, of course, he's gonna have more followers. And for whatever they used him as a mascot, kind of like for rest in peace, Peanut, for this fucking sanctuary for animals, right? They're trying to rescue animals, dude. The fucking police raided, take the squirrel and a raccoon and put them down.
Oh my god.
Kill the man squirrel.
That sucks.
Who's sitting at work going, we got to get this guy with the squirrel?
Seriously.
I can't even believe that's a thing. But I was like, that ain't true. And we went and looked, and it is. A woman who pleaded guilty to dressing as a clown in 1990, murdering the wife of a man she later married, was released from prison Saturday.
Wow.
That was in Florida. There's a lot of strange shit.
Of course it was.
Let's see. I'm not quite sure why this is a story, though. That's how bad the news is. Really wasn't shit in the news either.
Yeah.
Oh, they remember the cheese heist that I was talking about over in Europe? $300,000 in cheese was stolen?
Yeah.
They caught that guy. Luckily, he hadn't eaten all of it. But they caught him. It was expensive cheese, $389,000.
Yeah, I think this week's just the main things are the elections and the interest rates.
Right. Let's see.
Like, has it normally the election and the interest rate meeting is in the same week?
No, not. I mean, I don't remember that being a. Hey, man, let's just throw all the bad shit in there. Like, get everything over with. That's what companies do whenever they have a bad. Let's say they have a miss and it's bad. Man, throw everything in there. Everything is wrong. Throw people under the bus. Just get it all out. That's what you do. Hey guys, hit that QR code and follow us on. I promise I don't curse in the writing. Or most of the time I don't. Let's see. That's it, man. That's all I got. Not much in the news. I am interested on the Donald Trump thing. I wouldn't. I don't know. I might day trade it tomorrow. I don't know if I'd play that thing, man.
But wouldn't it be Wednesday?
Or yeah, whenever. I don't know that I would fuck with it, man. Unless you're just having fun. There's nothing wrong with just trading for fun. I mean, that's what I do. I don't give a fuck if I win. Kind of the secret too, but let me look at that real quick. This might be a day tradable stock. Be honest, I don't even like squirrels. So
you don't like what?
Squirrels. They're like tree rats. Nobody likes rats. Squirrels are just like rats.
Yeah.
Except they're in a fucking tree. Let's see. Although my uncle had a pet squirrel, and the reason I don't like him, that he bit me. What were we looking? Oh, the DJT. No, that's not the ticker. What is it?
DJT, yeah.
It is Donald Trump Media.
DJT.
Right. I mean, it's an amazing media company. I mean, all the stuff I've seen. Have you watched any of it?
No.
Not me either. I don't think it actually produces content. It's just a stock that goes up and down. Man, we might day trade this shit. This thing is on a roll.
I know Skylar's been day trading it.
Good move. How do you know that? Did he put it in Discord?
No, I asked him.
Oh, hey, don't let us in on what you're trading. Fuck, dude, don't bother. Let's see. Why bring us good stocks to day trade if you can just keep them to your fucking self?
Yeah, I don't know if he made money. I just asked him if he was trading it.
Right. Anybody else want to confess shit they're doing? They don't want to share? Oh, I bought this stock and it doubled, Gerald. Look. Okay. Couldn't let me in on it? I did put in Discord, actually. Okay. I could have read it, dude. Fuck. I didn't. See, he did put it in Discord. Let's see. I'm just picking on him. He said a few times. Apparently, me and you aren't reading Discord. Let's see. Here we go. That's actually a nice looking stock, man. He said a few times. Let's see. We might watch this, maybe let it pull back. Running hot too. Look at this. I might buy something right now.
You're gonna get in for a day trade right now?
Wow. Don't do it. You'll lose money. I'm up $300 today.
Holy shit.
But I'm trading, I trade bigger. I'm trading big.
Yeah, but still.
Compared to the last few days, right?
Yeah.
Let me make sure before I say that. Half of that is shorts though. Yeah, 201 in the TQ. Only 6 in the Q, so oh well. Still good. I should quit now. I'm thinking about it. I got shit to do. I think I'm gonna take the next 3 or 4 days off and just chill.
Let us know how you feel.
I'm gonna see what it's like to be human. What you guys get out of that shit. Let's see. I literally had a kid to me yesterday. He's like, "What do you do for free time?" I was like, "What are you in fucking 8th grade? What the fuck is free time, bro?
Yeah.
You don't have. There's no parents here. You don't have free time. You're a grown fucking man. Get off work. Do what you know."
Yeah.
You know how fucking dumb that sounded? And I was like, "Is that what you're talking to me about? Free time, bro? Like, really? That's your big question?" And I asked him that. I was like, he's like, "Well, I mean, because we're talking about what I did." And he's like, "Well, with all that, what do you do for free time?" I go, "Why do you think I don't have free time?" I was like, "What do you mean?
Yeah.
I gotta be fucking poor to have free time? I don't have a job, bro. While you're at work, I'm chilling. Like, I don't know what, it was so weird. Free time. I don't think, I don't, let's see. How much do you usually bet on retail stocks, more or less? Retail. Are you talking about, when you say retail, are you talking about like Dollar General and Walmart and shit? I wonder if that's what he means.
Aren't those consumer staples?
Yeah, that's what I don't know what he means by retail. Macy's. That's retail, right? Kohl's, that kind of shit.
Yeah.
Ask me. She spends a lot of money on clothes. Well, I mean, obviously, she can't afford Discord. She must spend it on some. Let's see. I don't like that year.
That was so mean.
Poor shaming. Oh, damn. I guess I didn't post it in Discord. You see that?
Post what?
Now Skylar's saying he didn't post it in Discord.
He didn't. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, yeah, I didn't see it.
Yeah, for making us look bad for not reading it. Now he didn't post it. How much? I don't know what you mean, sir, about the. I don't know what that means. How much do you usually bet? I mean, I do. There's betting in football. We take positions, but you could use the term bet. I guess. I mean, I don't know. I don't. Yeah, I guess sometimes I do throw that around. Let's see. Man, I need a hamburger.
You're
I'm
hungry?
Yeah. Let's see. Who do you want to win the election? I gives 2 fucks. That's who I want. I honestly didn't even know it was Wednesday. The election's on
Tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Tomorrow, Tuesday.
Yeah, it's fucking gross. I don't care who wins. Scammer 1 or 2. Do you trade foreign stocks at all or stick with the U.S.? I mean, just stay with the U.S., bro. You ain't even got enough money to buy the ones I put out. Why would you go look overseas? Now we own a Zim, which is an Israeli shipping company. I don't think you need to spend. I mean, you could do some triple leverage ETFs like Mexico, Brazil, shit like that. But yeah, I mean, the foreigners are coming here, so we don't need to trade their stocks there. Like, I mean, that doesn't even make sense. They're coming here. But no, really, I don't give a fuck who wins the election. I hope you win. I hope you're president. Just voted for herself. Yeah, I'm voting for Gucci Mane. I
For
would
real.
love that. He was president. Man, come on. He'd be like, I don't even come out of the house for free. Like he ain't even coming out of the White House unless you pay me. That would be great. That would be awesome. Google is another ship or under the 200 stage one. It's out of Bermuda. You know it's honest. Comes out of Bermuda. That's what I was thinking about registering the MFG capital is Bermuda.
Oh my god.
That way I got to go to the Bermuda for corporate meetings. But no, that's a way to stay out of some of the U.S. regulations or Delaware Corporation. I don't know. I was trying to get Wes Watson in. He wants $10,000. So
Yeah. It
want to put up
sucks.
half? We get a couple people. That's just too much. I would kind of want to do it to go to his house, but 10,000. Can we make it 2,000?
Yeah, like 10,000 is ridiculous.
Can I drive the Bugatti? Can we hang out like we're buddies? Like I can kick it on the couch and shit. He makes it sound like that. You can hang out with him and stuff. 10 grand.
Yeah.
Is your girlfriend gonna be there? Let's say common stocks on general. Then, what are your usual buy? Your go-to sweet spot for investing comes. Well, I mean, it's all related to how much money you have. We don't do it like that in the money flow because we buy it as the position plays out. So if we're buying like this on a stage one, I'm gonna just drip in it till it breaks. Once it breaks out, I'm done buying. I just don't have a set thing. Guys that people try to make shit out of that. Like, what's your win percentage? It doesn't
Yeah.
fucking matter, bro.
Yeah,
It's
who cares?
bullshit. Like, yeah, I do not track it. It's ridiculous. You could have 99% win rate, but if they're all very tiny and the 1%
Yeah,
is
you
fucking
don't need to track it. Your brokerage tracks you.
and just whatever mine is ain't gonna help you unless you take the same.
Yeah.
I'm one of the greatest stock pickers in the world. So unless you can pick them like me, it ain't gonna help you. I mean, it might, but me giving you my percentage ain't gonna help. It help that person. Because what if they go all in on fucking Celsius following the money flow? Then they're like, well, money flow doesn't work. It's like, yeah, it does.
Yeah, you
You
just went all in on the wrong thing.
you picked the wrong stocks, man. Yeah. Um, that always, whenever I tell people that, they'll be talking, they're like, oh, he's a good trader. No, I'm the greatest trader in the world, so fuck that guy. They never, I mean, I just, boom, as soon as anyone says, I shut that shit down, man. That can't be true because I am. And I believe that. Doesn't even matter if I am or not. I don't give a fuck. You should believe that. If you don't think you're a great trader, what the fuck is your name? Credo Consult. What do you think Creed Pro Consulting means? What do you think that means? Like for Creed, the band? Like he's a pro follower of the band?
I couldn't tell you.
Creed Pro. It stands for something. I feel like Ball Student is from out of the country or in some Ivy League college.
Weren't they the one asking about the TLT?
Well, when he said common stocks, people don't usually use that phrase unless they're from out of country or just finished reading a book or something. You guys need to get my book. I know there's several people in here who don't even have my book. You can't trade for shit if you ain't got my book, bro. It's just not even possible. Sometimes I read it, I'm like, how the fuck does everyone in the world not own this? I mean, it actually shows you. Like, I don't understand. I don't know. I don't even understand how people trade without it. I don't know what they're doing.
I don't know either.
Yeah, I had a guy the other day, and I kept trying to get him to explain to me his entry and his exit, and he babbled on and on. I'm like, bro, what makes you enter a stock? Stop talking and show me.
What about utilities in stage 4?
Yeah, they're coming down, man. Let's see. Yeah, they are so overpriced, man. Look at this thing, just keeps running, dude. Told you not to get in. The let's see. UTL. No, probably would have went the other way. You don't need to do that. Don't let.
No, I didn't get in that.
Yeah, don't let those junkies bring you in. Let's see. Yeah, it's stage 4. We'll see what happens. It's got to calm down, man. This thing's got to come down for me. I haven't bought utilities in a minute.
Yeah, at least since the beginning of the year.
Yeah. Well, man, I'm gonna go eat. I think we've covered all we can cover. And anybody I picked on, except Lena, I was just kidding. That one I'm not. And Skylar, of course, I was picking on him. He made us look bad, man, and then he didn't even put it in Discord. I'm like, damn, we both missed it. Yeah. So that's it, man. We'll see you guys on Friday. You got anything else, just?
No, that's it.
That's it, man. I like that hat.
Thanks.
See, this it's the first time I've been wearing these. We'll see.
Looks good.
Yeah, I like it. Makes my head look a little fat, but in a shade. But that's it. That's all I got. Fixing to get the chest, the money flow. Me and Skylar said he'd get it if I get it. Oh,
damn.
Danny B's getting it too.
Damn,
that's crazy, huh?
Crazy.
I know. Let's see. That's it, man.
Let's see.
All right, you be good.
All right. Thanks for having me, GP. Bye.
Yeah. Hey, guys, we appreciate you watching, coming on. Not a lot going on right now, to be honest. The news isn't much. We're kind of all in on trades. I mean, the biggest thing in the news was this squirrel. And they're going to hold out. My hair looks crazy. I need to get it cut. OPEC's going to, cut some shit back. The Fed talks this week, and we get a new president. Is it a new one or the same one? We're going to get the same president either way. So I don't think the stock market has anything to worry about. If you're worried about it, it's because you're a dipshit. There's no reason to. Stock market goes up all the time. 70% of the time stocks go up. They've gone up under both presidential regimes. And like 78% of the time they go up right after the election. So I think we're all going to be good. We're going to survive, man. We're going to be okay. Appreciate you guys.